Response spectrum characteristics. What are the characteristics? Characteristics, some of the general characteristics of response spectrum, which are based on the which parameter, which are based on the, we have written here, which are based on the plotted graphs. Which graphs? That is the DVA spectrum graph. The D is nothing but a displacement, velocity and the acceleration, and based on this we have put here the some of the characteristics of the response spectrum. Which are those? First one is the spectrum for zero damping. Zero damping म्हणजे काय असणार आहे? Zeta is equal to the zero. Shows rather marked oscillation with very irregular sharp peaks. Means that on this graph we have seen that irregular shape of the graph. That is nothing but a damping. And if the damping is zero, there are the irregular shape of the sharp peaks are shown on this graph, that is the DVA plot. Second one is the oscillations generally decreases as the damping increases. Oscillations means oscillations generally decreases as the damping increases. Damping means काय असणार आहे? Damper is nothing but it is having the resistivity power. So at that time, if damper is over there, then there are the oscillations, whatever the movement that will be going to be reduces. So that it has written as the oscillation generally decreases as the damping increases. Third one is the for short period. What is this? Short period means for a very high frequency structure, the spectral acceleration values approaches the magnitudes equal to maximum ground acceleration. Means at a very short period, what is the condition? At a very short period or a very low frequency, maximum spectral displacement approaches towards the maximum ground displacement. Means बघा काय असणार आहे? For a short period, extremely short period, at that time the spectral acceleration values approaches to the magnitudes equal to, magnitude will be equal to the maximum ground acceleration. That is the third characteristics. Fourth one is the for very long periods or व्हेरी लो फ्रिक्वेन्सीज. फॉर अ व्हेरी, आता बघा वरती काय होतं आपलं फॉर शॉर्ट पिरियड्स, आता त्याच्या उलट आहे फॉर अ लॉंग पिरियड्स. मीन्स फॉर अ व्हेरी हाय फ्रिक्वेन्सी या ठिकाणी काय असणार आहे? फॉर अ व्हेरी लो फ्रिक्वेन्सीज मॅक्झिमम स्पेक्ट्रल डिस्प्लेसमेंट अप्रोचेस टू द मॅक्झिमम ग्राउंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. And for intermediate frequencies means at a short period, that at short period spectral acceleration approaches towards the maximum ground acceleration. At a very long period or very low frequencies, maximum spectral displacement approaches to the maximum ground displacement. And at the intermediate frequencies, maximum spectral velocity has the magnitude of several times input. Means it approaches towards the maximum approaches towards the maximum ground velocity. It approaches to the maximum ground velocity. Means there is a difference. पहिला difference काय होता की that on this DVA curve there are the whatever the shapes are shown that are the with respect to the zeta damping ratio. Second one is the oscillation decreases, the damping increases. That is the second characteristics. Coming towards the third characteristics, what is the third characteristics? At a short period which is related to the spectral acceleration, which is equal to or which approaches towards the maximum ground acceleration at a short period of time at a very high frequency of the structure. Next काय बघा त्या ठिकाणी for very long period or very low frequencies, maximum spectral displacement approaches towards the maximum ground displacement. And the last one is that for intermediate ला काय असणार आहे? maximum spectral velocity which is approaches towards the maximum spectral displacement velocity has a magnitude of several times input of velocity for no damping. Okay, in this way you have to be consider or you have to be remember this, be regarding these characteristics. First one is related to the spectra, whatever the graphs are shown that are related to the spectra. Second one is the damping. With respect to the damping, that curve are shown, that are the peak curves are shown on the DVA curve. Second one is the oscillation decreases, that damping increases. Third one is the for short periods, for short period acceleration, that is the spectral acceleration approaches towards the maximum ground acceleration. सेकंड मध्ये काय असणार आहे, फॉर अ व्हेरी शॉर्ट, फॉर व्हेरी लॉंग पिरियड व्हॉट विल बी हॅपन, दॅट वेलॉसिटी or that display spectral displacement, that is the maximum spectral displacement is approaches towards the ground displacement. And at the third point, for intermediate frequencies or intermediate time, what will be here, that intermediate time period, that maximum velocity, maximum spectrum velocity is approaches towards the maximum ground velocity. Okay, in this way there are the some of the characteristics. And last characteristics is that for critical damping, we have seen that for lower lower short, that is the short period, we have seen short period, it is related to the ground acceleration. Second one is the for a long period, it is related to the velocity, it is related to the displacement. And intermediate laga asnara, it is related to the velocity. And last one is at a critical damping in the range of 5 to 10%, the maximum spectral acceleration is of the order twice the maximum ground acceleration. The maximum spectral velocity is order of 1.5 times the maximum ground velocity. And maximum spectral displacement is of the order of same as the maximum ground displacement. As a approach means they have given as a here in the they have given that in range. Okay, first one is the critical damping in the range of 5 to 10%, that critical damping in the range of 5 to 10%. Maximum spectral acceleration is order of twice the maximum ground. Means approach, we have seen only about the approaches. For short period, that ground that maximum spectral acceleration which approaches towards the maximum ground acceleration, but in which multiplication, that is with respect to the order of twice the maximum ground acceleration. Means maximum spectral acceleration is is of the order of twice the maximum ground acceleration. Same for the higher period, we can see here, or the longer period, we can see here, maximum spectral velocity is of order of 1.5 times the maximum ground velocity. And displacement is same for the both, that is the for maximum spectral displacement is order of same as order of maximum ground displacement. So all of you write down these characteristics. These are very important, that will be asked for your examinations. Write down. All of you write down this. First, that spectrum for damping zero damping shows rather marked oscillations with very irregular sharp peaks. Second, oscillations generally decreases as the damping increases. As the damping increases. Third one, all of you write down. for extremely short period, for extremely short period, in bracket, for very high frequency of structure, for very high frequency structure. बघा या ठिकाणी फ्रिक्वेन्सी आणि पिरियड, फ्रिक्वेन्सी म्हणजे काय असणार आहे, एफ इज इक्वल टू 1/t मीन्स फ्रिक्वेन्सी अँड टाइम पिरियड बोथ आर इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू each other. That's why that sentence is here. If every very short period is there, then there is a frequency will be higher. If frequency is very lower, then short period, that period will be more. Okay, so that they are inversely proportional to each other, so that they have written for short period and for very high frequency structure. The spectral acceleration values, the spectral acceleration values approach magnitude is equal to the maximum ground acceleration is equal to maximum ground acceleration. Full stop. Second, all of you write down, for very long periods, for very long periods, or for very low frequencies, for very low frequencies, the maximum spectral displacement, the maximum spectral displacement, maximum spectral displacement approaches the maximum ground displacement, approaches the maximum ground displacement. Next one, for intermediate frequencies, maximum spectral velocity has a magnitude of several times the input velocity for no damping. And last one, for critical damping, in the range of 5 to 10%, the maximum spectral acceleration is of the order of twice the maximum ground acceleration. Full stop. And the maximum spectral velocity is 1.5 times maximum ground velocity. 1.5 times maximum ground velocity. And maximum spectral displacement is of the order of is of the order of same as same as maximum ground displacement. Maximum ground displacement. Full stop.